Hello guys, my name is Khan. Today we're going to talk about how you can sign up for an AWS account. Let's get started. First, let's open Google and search for AWS sign up. You'll see a lot of results. You can go for the first one. Here you'll see the free tier option. Let's go ahead and click on create a free account. Here it's going to ask for an email address, password, confirm password, and an AWS account name. All right, now let's provide an email address and a password meeting the password requirements. Let's confirm the password. And we are also going to provide the AWS account name, which we can change later on. Let's click on next. Let's perform the security check as requested. After performing the security check, it's going to take us to the contact information. Here there are two different options, personal and business. Since we are signing up for a personal account, we will select personal, and we're going to provide some basic information. Provide the phone number, and we'll provide the country. As I'm in Australia, we'll select Australia, provide an address. Okay, and then we need to agree on the terms. And let's continue to the next step. Here it's going to ask for a billing information. You will not be charged for AWS resources if your resources are running under the free tier account. They will not be charged. But if you are consuming more resources which are not as part of the free tier, then you will be charged for that. We'll talk about like how you can monitor your billing later on as well, but providing billing information is required for you to sign up for an AWS account. So let's provide the the billing information up here. All right, now I've just provided the billing information. I'll select the address from the previous step. Otherwise, we can add a new address as well. And let's just click on the next step. All right, in the next step, we need to confirm our identity. So we got different options. One, we have a text message option, and the other is voice call. We'll select the country and provide the mobile number where we will receive either a text message or a voice call, depending on the selection we provide. So let me provide the country. Since I'm based in Australia, I'll select Australia and I'll provide my number. Okay, and let's provide the security check as well. All right, now once I click on the next step, it has sent me a text message for the identity confirmation. Let me provide the verification code. And let's continue to the next step. Right now, once we have verified the identity, it's going to take us to the next screen where it's going to ask us to select a support plan. So we've got three different support plans: basic support plan, developer support plan, and a business support plan. So basic is free, as you can see. Developer has $29 per month cost, and the business support plan's got $100 per month. The difference between developer and a business support plans is with developer, you can create technical support cases. However, you're only limited to email cases. So you can't call AWS technical support or reach out to them using chat. The only option available is an email option. For business support, you can reach out to the technical support using chat or call. Hence, you can get instant response related to your technical issues. Whereas with the business, you can't create technical support cases. However, you can reach out to AWS related to your account information, billing information, issues as such. But you can't reach out to them using a technical support case. So since we are going to use the business, the basic support plan, we'll select the basic support plan and then we'll just complete the sign up. Right, congratulations. So we have signed up to AWS account. Here we can see we've got a confirmation, and let's just go to the management console. So we're going to log into it using our email address that we provided. All right, now since we have signed up for it, let's log into our management console using the email address that we provided. Let's click on next. Let's perform the security check again. And we will provide the password that we provided during the sign up process. There you go. Now you're logged into the AWS Management Console. Here you can see we are in North Virginia region. We'll talk about regions, availability zones, and different concepts about AWS in another video. However, this is where you can select the region where you want to launch your resources in. And this is where you can select different services. They've been categorized in different categories. So for launching an EC2 instance, you can go to compute and then select the EC2 option. You can also search for different services up here as well. And then you can add it to favorites using the star. This is it from me today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please feel free to reach out to me using the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to respond to you. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the day.